Hello, my name is Austin Desmond, and I'm an automation specialist at Horizon Solutions. I'd like to take a minute to talk about push-in terminal blocks. This innovative push-in connection technology offers dramatic time savings by creating wiring efficiency. The 1492P push-in terminal blocks provide improved wiring accuracy and reliability, ensuring a quality connection that requires no double checking. When using an automated furl machine, installation can be up to 65% faster than screw-type terminal block connections, a 26-second savings per terminal block. That's a savings of over 7 hours for every 1,000 terminal blocks connected. Not only is productivity vastly increased, but the resulting connections eliminate common vibration issues found with screw-type terminal blocks. The push-in connection significantly exceeds UL pull-out standards as well. Bulletin 1492P push-in terminal blocks offer panel builders, OEMs, and other high-volume users cost savings, not only in the form of increased wiring speed, but also through eliminating connection adjustments and torque checking of screws. They are available in a wide range of standard and application-specific offerings, including a unique control power distribution terminal block. For help selecting these and many other connection systems, call Horizon Solutions at 1-800-724-4750 to speak with an automation specialist today.